Hello students, in the last class we have studied about the chapter how the state government works. Today we will start the chapter with the remaining subtopics. Before starting the chapter, we have to recapitulate the subtopics which we have studied in the last class. The subtopics are majority and opposition. Students, you know that majority means that a political party whose MLAs have won more than half constituencies in a state can be said majority, and majority means the measured party will be also known as ruling party. Suppose that in UP BJP is ruling party, understand, and it will be known as majority, the major party. Afterward we are coming opposition. All the rest parties, the political parties whose MLAs have not won more than half constituencies, means that after the ruling party all the parties will be known as opposition. So in this class we are going to discuss the further subtopics. So in this class, students, the subtopics which we are going to study, the subtopics are a debate in the legislative assembly, working of the government. As you know that in this subtopic, first subtopic, we read that the two girls Sujata and Afreen, they reached the capital city, and when they reached they got a grand building, and when they entered they got the rows in a rows, the decks are in a rows, and afterward they got that there was a debate in the legislative assembly. And what is legislative assembly? The legislative assembly is a place where the MLAs will debate, ask the question to the government, to the ruling party, and they will also suggest, the government where they should spend money, understand, because MLAs are also responsible to run the government, understand. So in the debate, what had happened in the assembly, we will know. The MLAs from ruling party as well as the MLAs from opposition party, they were available. MLAs started to tell about the problem from their constituencies. One MLA said that in Akhanda Gaon, the problem is that in this constituency the people was suffering from diarrhea, and the 15 people had been died because of diarrhea, and MLA is criticizing the government not to take any action. And when the government is saying about the champion of project, champion of development, proclaiming themselves, the government. Afterward, some MLAs were also commenting that in their area the hospitals are not available, and when the hospitals are available, doctors are not available. The government has not appointed the doctors, in the area, and the doctors who are in the hospital, they are not good. Understand? So they are telling, they are criticizing the government. Even they were also criticizing the government and saying that the government has not provided ORS, oral rehydration salt. The people are dying from diarrhea. There is a water shortage in Tolapatti village constituency. People have to travel long distance to bring water. In also Patalpuram district, the water shortage. Only in 3 days one time people get water there. So these are the problems. Afterward, an MLA from the ruling parties says that opposition parties MLAs, the colleagues, are only making the problem, they are making the problem too bigger, even as the problem is not too big. They are only trying to show the government inferior. The MLA from the ruling party said that the government has taken action, the government has provided ORS, made the hospitals, and the government has started to clean the garbage, lying garbage in the area, in the locality, the garbage which are scattered everywhere. And the same thing said by different MLAs that in the area garbage is scattered. So after that, the ruling party MLAs who is in support of the government says that garbage has been scattered everywhere because the last government has not done anything. We are trying to improve the situation from worse to better. Understand? So after that, after the assembly, what has happened, we will know here. As we know that, what do you mean by the government? We can say that in common word, government refers to the government departments and various ministers with head them, and overall the executive is chief minister. Understand? So we know that in the government department, all the MLAs and all the officials with chief minister will be included, and the MLAs who are responsible for the development, for the betterment of the state. So they are also responsible, they also supervise the work. Understand? So they are the ones, MLAs, they are the ones who authorize and supervise their work. Understand? And the MLAs who assemble there together, they form a legislature. Understand? Because MLAs are also responsible to run the government, they are also responsible because they are also the part of the government. Afterward, we are coming the next subtopic, work of the government. What is the work of the government? As you know that, students, when the debate had been over, afterward the health minister, who had earlier said that the government is taking action to eradicate, to eliminate these conditions, the water shortage, and trying to make the condition better, trying to end diarrhea, that is a pandemic. So afterward, in the press conference, health minister and other administrative officers will be available, and the health minister had called press conference, and in the press conference he said that the government has taken action to end the diarrhea, and the government has made plan to improve the condition of water so that everybody can get neat and clean drinking water. The committee has been formed according to the health minister. Afterward, health minister and the chief minister of the state went to the areas. They went Patalpuram village where people had been died from diarrhea. They reached to the families, and afterward they provided compensation to the families where the family members had been died because of diarrhea. And the chief minister also said that there will be committee will be formed to improve the situation of water in the area, and who will look after it? The public work department officer as well as the minister who will take the in charge. They will try to improve the condition in the area. Understand? And the government run the chief minister, the government run the state by various departments, and these departments are health department, education department, public work department. So these departments are responsible for the people, and they are also responsible, they are also the part of the government. These ministers, the ministers from the concerning departments will be responsible, and they will answer the question in the legislative assembly, and they have to suffice the people and as well as the MLAs in legislative assembly that the government is taking action, trying to making the condition better. So I hope that you have understood all these subtopics clearly, and afterward we will come on the question and answer part. So thank you for watching the video. Thanks.